Sean, it's great to see you, and I think you're building on the point Dan was just making, which is the crucial nature of the U.S. natural gas industry right now. It's insulating us currently from energy price spikes, and you think it could actually then supply other nations if need be?
I think it cut out a little bit there. But basically, the recent natural gas spikes that we saw in Europe, I think, are directly related to both the tightness in the market that kind of preceded this winter. So European storage levels were at the lowest level we've seen in many years, 5 to 6 years, going into this conflict. And then Russia began to reduce the Ukrainian supplies of natural gas. So they're doing that to basically show the world that they can cut supplies to Europe, and that also is important for them economically because it reduces the amount of transit fees that they have to pay Ukraine, which they're not particularly getting along with well right now.
So, Sean, it's Dominic here. Let's talk a little bit about that transit fee aspect of things, because it seems to be near the center of a lot of the conflict here, this idea that transportation costs of getting liquefied natural gas or natural gas from one place to another is at play here. We've talked about the Ukraine pipelines, the Nord Stream 2 proposition, the shipping of liquefied natural gas from the U.S. to places like in Europe. Just how much are the economics different between, say, a pipeline operation through Ukraine, the Nord Stream 2, or transporting it by tanker from the U.S. shores out to places in Europe?
So pipeline gas is always going to be cheaper than LNG. You have to pay for liquefaction costs. It's a more direct route. In terms of the economics for Russia, when they transport natural gas via undersea pipeline on Nord Stream 1, for instance, that goes directly from Russia under the sea to Germany, and so they're able to completely exclude their western neighbors rather from those transit fees. But Russia's been working for years to sort of find different routes around Ukraine, I think, in order to increase political leverage. Following the Crimean invasion in 2014, they scrapped one pipeline under the Black Sea and then eventually built a secondary pipeline through Turkey that then routes up through the Balkans. So Russia's been strategically trying to move away from really its long-standing transit partner to the west, that has been in place since Kennedy.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.